welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm gonna be doing a Pokemon, and it's a Pokemon that is a grass type. Can you guess what Pokemon it is that I'm drawing? Well, let me tell you, the Pokemon name is CHESPIN. So CHESPIN is a grass type Pokemon that is like one of the newer Pokemons I didn't grow up with, but I found out about it through my kids and I thought it was so cute, so I should go ahead and try drawing it. It starts off with like a green hat that CHESPIN is wearing. So there's like these 3 large leaf petals and then these 2 other petals that almost act as ears that comes from the side. And then we're going to connect that with a curved line. You can see I'm now just like trying to finish off the head first. There's another green petal that comes off the side as well. CHESPIN has a green hat on, and the rest of his body is mostly like light brown and like darker brown for the arms. And has these like big brown eyes and a red nose as well. So now I'm thinking I'm finished the leafy spikes on the hat, or like, I don't know if this is like more of a helmet for this grass Pokemon, but now I'm gonna do another curved line, almost like a circle, almost a complete circle. And that's where I'm gonna draw in CHESPIN's facial features, like his eyes, nose, and mouth. So here for the eyes are 2 ovals. So not like a circle, but like a little bit more flat and elongated. So here you can see I left a little bit of white inside the oval to show the light glistening off of CHESPIN's eyes. And then of course adding on a nose as well as a mouth. You can see the nose is quite flat, another oval. But if you want, you can change up the expression for your CHESPIN, have him angry, sad, overjoyed, maybe hungry. You can definitely use your imagination and make this drawing your own. It doesn't necessarily have to be exactly what I've drawn here. So here I'm gonna draw in CHESPIN's tail and also leg as well. So this is actually one of his foot. And then there's a little black spot at the end. And then now doing a line to connect the body to its foot. And here I'm going to draw in the arms as well and a tail. So that's the tail for CHESPIN. See, it's like a pointed tail. And then here is this other foot. Has these like white toes. So I'm going to draw in a divided line kind of on the foot here. And then a line to show the toes. There it is. And then CHESPIN has like these arms as well that are like a little bit more floppy. They generally have 3 fingers, so you can draw like small lines to show where the fingers divide. But that's basically the outline for CHESPIN. I think I'm ready to color it in now. So for coloring, I know CHESPIN has a lot of like light browns, some pink, and some greens. So I definitely got those colors ready before I started coloring. I really enjoy coloring because like you can play around with so many different colors. It doesn't necessarily need to be like the same shade of green that I have, or you can use different colors for your CHESPIN as well. So let's start coloring our CHESPIN. I should also mention, if you like the content on this channel so far, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for considering, and on with the coloring. I've certainly practiced quite a bit before I got to the stage where I can just kind of freely draw in the outline for my characters. So don't feel pressured that your piece needs to be perfect or looks exactly the same as mine. Part of the drawing process is just enjoying and having fun with it. And if you want to get better in drawing, my secret is to keep practicing and don't give up, just keep trying. So I'm almost wrapped up for this CHESPIN character from the Pokemon series. I hope you enjoyed the step-by-step drawing so far. He's certainly a really cute character, very curious little fellow. And here's the final product. That's it. That's CHESPIN. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Hopefully I will see you in future videos. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.